So I'll type clear. So otherwise we can use same data, but let me just type. Okay, I'll give one comment line to to separate this with the previous code. So now I'm gonna start with a scatter plot. Enter. Yeah. So what I can do is I can load one data in MATLAB environment. The data is basically inbuilt in MATLAB, and that data is I can use a load command to load any data which is available in MATLAB root directory. So when you install MATLAB, some data sets, some sample data sets also get added to your installed root directory of MATLAB. So I'm gonna load a data that is load patients. So basically, H is capital here, height, weight, and systolic. So this is how I'm loading a data. So this is load data option. I've got height, systolic, and weight. Each is having 100 sample, and these are the column vectors. Why column vector? Because we have one column and multiple rows. As you can see, if you open any of these three variables, you can find that these are arranged in the column vector format, right? So now uh, I'll call a function. So I'll just type initial three letters, three, 4 letters, and I'll press the tab key. So there are two different options, scatter and scatter 3. So scatter 3 for 3D scattering data, 3D scattering visualizations, and scatter is for a 2D scattering visualization. So I'll type scatter. I'll select the scatter function here. In bracket, I'll have to provide the height and weight, and bracket complete, and enter. So this is my scattering plot. Yeah. Now let's understand how we can provide the X label and Y label to this